Morning, London College of Garden Design. I'm just going to take you through a little bit of my area that we can see through the gates. This area of the garden was laid out in 1896 and has had a few alterations, but the majority of it has stayed the same, apart from the four large central beds were herbaceous, and then we have changed them back to the John Fleming bedding design that most of the estate has at the moment. Currently we have 21,000 Narcissus thalia in the four beds. Before bedding schemes there would have been herbaceous. We do have a herbaceous wall running along the back, and there's some of our topiary, and we have quite a lot of peacocks, swirls, pyramids, and then we also have a lot of statuary around the gardens. That's Marco Polo and Nautica. The border running along the wall was originally a sort of a silver leafed border, but it then was changed changed to herbaceous that we have today. I don't think it's going to be changing anytime soon. The public really enjoy the long garden herbaceous border. I'll just get to the centre and then take you through, or to show you a few more plants as we go through. We have quite a few large Daphnes in the border. When people can't step on the grass in the winter, that's a bit of interest for them. The scent is lovely, and we have Actinidia over there on the wall, fan trained. We have loads of roses, jasmine, forsythia, Fritillaria crown imperials in here, Chinodoxa, large swathe of Chinodoxa down the end, sedums. Well, everyone's got sedums. We're in the centre now of this area of the garden, with quite large, massive wisterias, that go behind this bench here, and then there's another one just on the other side of that. So hopefully, they both trail either side, and then the back of the bench, when you sit on it, should be a nice little covered area, surrounded by lovely flowers. You might be able to see here just all the Narcissus slowly popping up. I've had a few yellow ones come up, but the predominant are white, which is great. Quite a large Solanum here. We had to prune a lot of it out because it had broken the wires and fallen right onto the bed, so I've had to do a lot of taking some big stems out of there, so hopefully it does okay. It's a lovely forsythia here. I don't actually have the plans on me at the moment, I can't remember which one it is, sorry. Bad video. And then here we have a rather large Depelter. It's quite a lot. It's been here quite a long time, as you can see from the base. Yeah, I didn't have time, sadly, to take a lot out that I wanted to. Had to sort of down tools, but hopefully next year I'll be able to give it a real good tidy up. So yeah, that's sort of it in this area. It's quite hard to get around to the rest of the garden, but yeah, so yeah, hopefully the mulch keeps the border weed free for us, and hope to be back in the gardens soon as, really. Thank you very much for coming to have a look around this area. Hopefully see you all soon at the gardens. I'm sure they'll tag where I work.